Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for some practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph 林林執少。好熱，好熱，好熱哦！要好好出去玩才對嘛，對不對？
好。
Whether or not you're enjoying a summer vacation, summertime is always a great time to go out and take a vacation and really enjoy, your life. 其实不管你是不是学生啊，当然学生因为这个时候在放假，还有老师们也是啊，对不对？这个时候可能就会计划要去哪里玩，但是我们希望就是大家其实在这个暑假的时候，或者说夏天的时候也都多多出去。可是呢，有的时候可能就会不知道要去哪里，对不对？So let's teach you a situation where you don't know where to go, what to do. But first, 放假了 ，it's vacation time.
不用了嘞，
不用了嘞。And where do you want to go have fun? 你要去哪里玩？
唔愛去哪邊了？
唔愛去哪邊了？哪邊了 is where to have fun. So maybe you're just thinking, you're still pondering on what to do. 很多人就是考虑完了就已經9月了，就後悔了，對不對？
就還沒決定嘛。
所以呢，要問大家意見嘛。所以 let's say you're still pondering, thinking about what to do. Do you have any suggestions? 還在考慮，你有什麼建議嗎？
韓都嘅考慮，
韓都嘅考慮。考慮就是考慮咯，
對
，That means thinking about 考慮 ，OK, I'm still thinking, pondering.
有乜嘅建議冇？
有乜嘅建議冇 ？OK, that whole phrase. Do you have any suggestions? 所以有什麼建議嗎？
不知道哎。
所以你要再問第三個人了。OK, 那我們就乾脆教人家說不知道好了，好不好？Maybe you don't know what to do at all, like Alice just responded. Let's just teach you. Go ahead and teach you how to say 不知道哎。還沒決定 ，OK, I don't know, I haven't decided.
唔知，
就這樣啊，唔知，
還蠻結天，
還蠻結天，唔知就是唔知啦，唔知啊，我唔知啊，唔知，哦，這很好用誒，唔知，
海陸腔，
唔知 ，OK, different dialect for saying I don't know. 這個要常常用誒，唔知，什麼都不知道。但是後面很重要，說還沒決定。
還蠻結天。
還蠻結天 That means I haven't decided. All right, let's review the situation, and it's all about taking a vacation and asking, what do you want to do or where do you want to go? 放假了。
不用了嘞。
不用了嘞。然後唔愛去哪裡了。Oh, I'm good at this. That means where do you want to go have fun? There you go. That does it for another exciting edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.